In this video, I will talk about how to better and get fluffy hair as a guy. I will talk about the basics other YouTubers will tell you, and also some unknown secrets in getting fluffy hair, which I found after doing some scientific research. So some people might say, stop using shampoo because it is making your hair flat. Even this can be true, not washing. Hair can cause your hair to smell and become greasy and even may cause balding. So use shampoo and don't do anything stupid. The second tip is to start using hairstyling such as clay sea salt spray and more. Even though a lot of people recommend sea salt spray, I hear a lot of people complain that it makes their hair dry and even made their hair itchy. So I don't personally recommend you to use sea salt spray, but it still works. So you can use it if you think your scalp won't get dry and itchy. And clay is the type of hair texturing product that you often see in stores, which are these. These work easily, and they often smell good without giving negative effect to your hair scalp, which is a big advantage since some hair texture products can cause balding, but hair clay will rarely cause balding since it doesn't require direct contact with the scalp. But after hearing all this, if you don't have healthy hair, there is no hair for you to style. So try getting your hair healthy. Methods to getting your hair healthy is eating a proper diet, including the appropriate amount of protein, since hair is made by protein. Also, while you are sleeping, your hair is made. So if you don't sleep well, your hair will become unhealthy. If you start seeing signs of balding, start using a derma roller and apply rosemary oil or minoxidile. If you want fluffy hair, subscribe and leave a like, and I am replying to every single comment.